Hello, I am Lena. Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk to you about three tips you can use and change your signature. About signature today. Signature is very important for a person. Signature is something like a personal brand of someone. As you see the brands of the companies that have their logos and you recognize them, it's the same with your signature. It's very nice to have a very beautiful signature when you sign. And you know, this is a set, a combination of things. For example, we said to a previous videos that how important it is to write very beautiful letters. So it's very important to write beautiful, to sign very beautiful, but also it's not good to make very beautiful letters and not have a impressive signature. And also it's not very nice to have an impressive signature and your letters, your daily handwriting is awful. So you should fix all this together. So about the signature, I create signatures about 10 years, and many people come to or message me and ask me to design a signature for them. They come, parents come and says we would like to make a gift to our children. Now they are 17, 18 years old, to change to have a signature at the rest of his life. This is a really nice gift and very clever. Some students from the university come to me and says to me we would like to have a more professional signature, and many other professionals come to me and says we would like to change our signature because this is not impressive, and we are lawyers or we are doctors, we are architects, we are actors, and we would like to have something impressive. Okay, there is a procedure that I make about the signatures because those persons should answer some questions, a questionnaire, and also they should write a text to see their character, because it is very important, the personal writing character of each person. I have a different writing character, you have a different writing character, so it is very important to see and understand how this person thinks. So if you would like to change your signature and you don't want to order, but just you need some tips to change it, today I will tell you three important tips that you can use them and you can change them. If you have a signature that you like it so and so, but you just want to change it, it's the steps will be much easier for you. If you want to change it, then all the steps are all the steps are very important for you. Sorry for my English. I said that to all the videos that 30 years I have finished school, and every year I will add one, 31, 32, 33. Okay, that's all. So step number one, the first very important step. If you are not sure what you want to do, because most of the people are not sure what they want to do, because if they knew it, they would do it. Open the internet, the pictures, and write Google signatures. You will find many signatures, and you save some pictures of the signatures you like and study them. See how they look, see how they are. Of course, I don't say to copy these signatures, okay? Just see the movement, just watch the design, how they look, how they are made. And then also from the Google, find your initials, various designs of your initials. If, for example, you have A and B, find various forms of A and B. Also from calligraphy to see how they use the A and B, or whatever are your initials. That's the first step. And have them in a folder on your computer and just look at them. I would like to tell you that maybe you have seen all the signatures and the initials, but it is very important then to make tests on these letters and signature, because all the signatures and all the letters are not for everybody. For example, your handwriting is with straight lines, and the circles will be a problem for you. So then the number two step is to test the initials you find to see what is better for you, what suits to your hand. Now we will go to the other step, the step with the, let's say, number two, with the writing tool. When you write, when you want to make your signature, and as you make your signature, you don't keep your pen with your hand very close to the nib. And of course, you don't push the paper, you don't push the nib on the paper. You must have it very light, you must keep it very light, very soft. And then you have to keep the writing tool almost from the middle of the writing tool, and just write very soft. Also, it is better to choose a soft pencil or a marker at the beginning to help you make easier the lines. Okay? These tools, soft pen and marker, soft pencil and marker, helps you to make easier the first tests you will make, and after you will go to the other writing instruments, and you'll make your checks, your tests. So number two is this, and number three, let's do now the tests. For example, if your first initial, okay, any of your initials are A, you start make tests with the letters you found. And also you can use your imagination. For example, this A, you can make it like this, like this, like this, whatever, like this, like this, and whatever you think it is suitable for your hand. Okay? And you make the tests with the A. You see, here's the capital A, and here are the variations you can make. Then you go to B. If your other initial is B, you try again with B. That's something like very simple. Something like this. Something like this. The small b. Something like this. Okay, it depends what you like. For example, if you like this one, then you start and make it all the time. You make tests all the time until you make it better and better every day, because practice is very important every day to use it. And then when you find, for example, some letters, the B from this and the A from the other page, then you start the combinations, how to connect these together. something like this. Maybe you don't want to write your the rest of your name, just you want to play only with your initials, A, B, or you may first make B and then the A, or and you continue. Okay, it depends of your hand. Depends of your hand. If, for example, you like this one, then you do it every day, many times every day until you use it, because you have to make it all the time and forget your previous signature. Okay, the practice is the key. So, as I said, step number 1, you see letters and signatures from the internet. Second, you keep properly your writing tool. And number 3, you make tests, the letters and the signatures you found to see which one is better for your hand. So, and then practice is, I think practice is the most difficult part of the procedure, because many people decide to do signature and then they don't do the practice. And it's difficult when you need your signature to remember it this time. You must make practice every day. So when you need to make your signature, to be ready to make it beautiful. It's not good to make practices one day and then after 4 days and again after 1 month and so on. Practice every day. So I hope these tips helped you. If you have any questions, you can write at the comments box. In my description box, I will write you my email if you would like to ask me something more about the signatures, or if you're bored to make your signature by your own, or if you make some tests and you don't like them so much, so you need some more help. So if you have any other questions, write below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell, so YouTube will inform you for my new videos every week. Till next time, bye bye.